Happy Monday, my friends. We are starting another week of work from home job leads and job searches, helping you find the best work from home career for you. Now, Walgreens is hiring multiple work from home positions right now. You have been enjoying the healthcare positions, so that is what I have for you today. For my international viewers, these are US-based only jobs. However, if you are an international viewer and have started watching this video, please comment down below the country that you are from. I am working on searching for job leads specifically for you, but it looks like most places only hire in one country at a time, so I've got to search by country. So if you could do that for me, and I'll be running a poll also later in the week. But for my US viewers, let's just jump on in and get started as to not waste your time this Monday morning. So first up, we have a remote call center specialist. And the pay for this starts at a base rate of $13 an hour. And after 90 days of service, if you stay on with the company, they will increase it to $14 an hour. So you get $1 an hour raise within your first 90 days. Now, this position is responsible for a high volume of inbound and outbound calls with customers, physicians' offices, patients, and third-party providers about the company's products and services. So you'll be following their standard SOPs and procedures, working under direct supervision, and you ensure all contacts receive efficient and courteous service. So your duties for this position will include resolving routine general questions and problems submitted by customers, physicians' offices, patients, and third-party vendors via different sources with a limited variety following established guidelines. You'll use computer applications to log and track inquiries, as well as to check the status of items that require follow-up. You will document your contact interactions and record details, complaints, or comments, and also record any actions that you take in the system. You'll coordinate with other functional areas as necessary. And you will contact customers, physicians' offices, and patient and third-party vendors to respond to their inquiries or notify them when the investigation results or planned adjustments are done. So you'll handle inquiries for more than one line of business. Qualifications for this position are a high school diploma or GED, typing skills at least 25 words per minute, so that is at least not that high. Basic level PC skills, being able to shut down a computer, use a mouse, those very basic skills. Basic search engine skills like Google, and you need to be able to communicate effectively in writing and verbally. Now for this position, Alabama, Washington, California, Massachusetts, DC, Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Puerto Rico, and Chicago are not eligible for this position. It may be due to tax laws, state tax laws, but I'm not exactly sure. This is a work from home position, so you do have to have an active home phone line, and it says cell phones or VoIP is not supported, and you do also have to have a high-speed internet connection. Those are just basics, services that you should already have installed in your house. If not, I'm not sure that this position would be for you because Walgreens is not going to reimburse you for the monthly subscription to those services. They do have a few preferred qualifications, but not required. And so that would be 1 year of customer service experience and experience in retail or healthcare. Now, this next position is only for my viewers who live in Texas. They are hiring a remote pharmacy technician. This one excited me because I did not know that a pharmacy technician could work from home and work outside of the pharmacy counter. I don't really know that much about pharmacy, but for my Texas residents, this is an exciting opportunity. The pay starts at $15 an hour and goes up to $16 an hour after 90 days. They are offering a $1,250 sign-on bonus program. And it does say candidates must reside in Texas. So the job responsibilities are using Walgreens prescription data entry procedures and guidelines. You'll process new patient registration by entering data into appropriate system, handle patient prescription requests with HIPAA guidelines, enter refill orders for processing, and troubleshoot to obtain missing prescription information. You'll handle correspondence for patients, so that can be inbound calls, chats, or emails, and you may have to make outbound calls to prescribers and patients as needed. You'll resolve third-party rejects by reviewing, gathering information, making corrections, and resubmitting for processing according to their individual insurance plans. And you'll provide assistance to pharmacists for those in the facility and at other locations. And so this position requires you to maintain a regular technician license or certification. For basic qualifications, you need to be 18 years of age and have a high school diploma, basic level PC skills, search engine skills, and immediate level typing skills, and be able to communicate effectively, and have an active pharmacy technician license or certifications in the state of Texas. And so the preferred qualifications, it says candidates must reside in Texas, and then at least 1 year of pharmacy technician experience. Moving right along, for those of us that are not in Texas, there is a work-at-home service desk position, and so this is more on the IT side of things, and so the job responsibilities of this position are to provide customer service through actively listening, showing empathy and attention to detail, and follow up on their problems. You need to be able to analyze and identify technical hardware, software, and communication problems, develop, maintain, and apply technical IT knowledge of systems and tools to troubleshoot problems, communicate technical resolutions clearly and precisely, verbally and in writing, document and summarize your interaction and troubleshooting steps in the system for tracking purposes, adhere to department and company policies, navigate through solution databases, and you need to maintain a standard of productivity that's scaled on a monthly basis. And when applicable, you need to provide suggestions for process and procedure improvement. Now, basic qualifications for this are a high school diploma or GED and at least 2 years of experience in customer service position, basic level of technical aptitude, basic level skills in Microsoft Word, Excel, basic PC skills. They want someone who's available to work weekends, holidays, and nights, and who has the ability to adapt to a fast-paced environment and experience communicating both verbally and in writing. So they do have a few preferred qualifications, which would be a bachelor's degree or technical training, and experience in business applications or the technical support field. But those are not required. Now, this position for work-at-home service desk does not have any state restrictions on it. However, they have another position that is service desk coordinator, and I don't know the difference between just a regular service desk and a service desk coordinator, but the job responsibility section is exactly identical on both. However, this one does have some state restrictions on it, which are Alabama, Washington, California, Massachusetts, DC, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, New York, and Chicago. So I will leave both of these linked down in the description box below. And if you're in one of those states that is restricted from the service desk coordinator, then just feel free to apply to the just service desk position. And if you are in a state that is not excluded, maybe you want to apply to both to increase your chances of getting hired. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, you can leave anything in the comments below that you are looking for. I take all requests and try to keep those in mind when I am searching for job leads, as I always want the job leads that I post to be helpful to someone. And I know you have been enjoying the healthcare field, so I will continue to look for those too. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.